This is the Kyotango coastline, one of the most beautiful stretches of shore in all of Japan. After wrapping up my time in Kyoto's mountain range, I drove north towards the Tango Peninsula, known as Kyoto by the Sea, a remote coastline dotted with fishing towns and rugged beauty, and I arrived at my first spot. So to start this video off, I've arrived at my first location, which is Tateiwa, this huge monolith, which is one of the most iconic rocks on this whole Tango Peninsula. So rising 20 meters out of the Sea of Japan, this massive monolith is actually made out of a rock called columnar basalt, which was formed over millions and millions of years ago when Japan actually separated from mainland China and the Sea of Japan was made. And according to local legend, it's actually sealed a demon, or oni as you would say in Japanese. So yeah, I don't want to get too close. From Tateiwa, I kept following the coastline, every turn revealing more crazy rock formations and scenic views. Around this stretch, I passed the Kyotango Matsushima, a cluster of tiny islands scattered just off the shore. So just as the sun was beginning to set, I'd arrived at my next spot, the Sodeshi Rice Fields. Currently almost 7 o'clock and I'm here at伊根の舟屋, and this is one of Japan's most unique fishing villages here on the Kyoto coastline. So over 200 traditional Japanese houses line the waterline. These are called Funaya, where the bottom half stores the boat and just on top is where the people live. These have been handed down for generations and they're just so beautiful. But it just feels so peaceful here. I can see all the fishermen at work going in for their early morning catches. But yeah, I'm gonna go head over and go explore the fishing town. Ine Bay is almost completely enclosed by the surrounding mountains and a narrow inlet to the Sea of Japan. That natural shape blocks the strong winds and waves, making the water unusually calm year-round. It's because of that sheltered geography that the Funaya could be built right on the shoreline, and that's why so many of them are still standing after more than 100 years. Damn, there is fishing equipment everywhere. I feel like I'm back on the boats. What are these boys? Very interesting fishing equipment. Yo, look at these crab things. Any fishermen know what these are? Behind every house, you'll catch glimpses of little boats rocking gently in the water. It's a setup you don't really see anywhere else in Japan. Practical, compact, and deeply tied to the sea. So my adventure continued as I drove along the rugged Kyotango coastline, passing the Kamanyu Cliffs, a series of massive cliffs, jagged rock faces, and these dramatic drop-offs that just fall into the ocean. I eventually made it to Amanohashidate, known as one of Japan's top 3 scenic views on the Nihonsanke. So I planned to get a sunrise time-lapse from one of these viewpoints, but when I arrived at 4 AM in the morning, the gates were shut and it just wasn't accessible. So I put the drone up and got these drone shots instead. So I am here at Amanohashidate. It is currently 6 AM in the morning. It is super peaceful out here. This is one of Japan's 3 most famous views. So it's not an island or a beach, but it's actually a sandbar which has been formed over millions of years to create this beautiful, beautiful view, and it has all of these beautiful pine trees growing all along it. The locals call it a bridge to heaven because when you view it from above, from one of these beautiful scenic points, you can actually see that it does look like one. But I'm going to go and walk across it. After spending the morning at Amanohashidate and exploring the sandbar, I made a quick stop at Nariaiji Temple. Not really to see the temple itself, but to get a viewpoint just above it, and that's what I really came here for. And from there, you get one of the best views of Amanohashidate. Okay, so that's a wrap for this video along the Kyoto coastline. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.